If your control panel fabricator lacks UL 508A certification, qualified MTR staff, and active UL inspections, your next audit could become a serious liability. Audits arrive without warning. A non-compliant panel means full rework, operational delays, and significant exposure. Applied Gray Matter holds active UL 508A certification, backed by mandatory staff training, regular UL shop inspections, and a team that knows compliance standards inside and out. That infrastructure is already in place, so you can focus on your operations with confidence. Do not wait for an audit to expose the gap. Partner with Applied Gray Matter today. UL 508A, Control Panel Fabrication Shop and Cabinet Certification in California. By choosing Applied Gray Matter, you are partnering with a team dedicated to excellence in industrial control panel fabrication and manufacturing. Our UL 508A certification is a testament to our rigorous safety standards, quality craftsmanship, and commitment to providing reliable solutions for your industrial and automation needs. Trust Applied Gray Matter to deliver control panels that prioritize safety and performance, ensuring your operations run smoothly and securely. Call us 315-878-2372 or visit appliedgraymatter.com.